Hi, I'm Marna. I have a happy mail from Ayla, and I just thought this was the nicest thing. Hello, postman. I hope your day is great. And she has these little hearts all around. Just cute. She's just cute. First time I met Ayla Avar, her address will be in the description or in the title. We just clicked. We just immediately clicked. Her husband Ron is a prince. When couples think a lot of each other and are good friends, I'm interested in being their friend, because if you're not, if you're mean to your spouse, I'm not interested in being your friend, because if you're mean to your spouse, you're probably mean to everybody. My goodness, I'm excited here. Snoopy! What do we have here? I gotta see this Snoopy. Oh, look at that. Snoopy and Woodstock. Let's see here. Wow, doll clothes. My, oh my, oh my. Let's push this back. Ayla, thank you. My goodness. And in a little bag.
Cute bag.
Cute little bag, yeah. Oh my goodness. You know what? I bet that would fit one of my chubbies. Wouldn't that be hilarious? You know what? I need a chubby boy doll. This 14-inch. You know, that might fit a chubby too. Oh, looky here. Looky here, looky here, looky here. How cute. Yeah, I need a chubby boy and a pair of Belle. Okay. I don't know Belle, but she has funny shoes. Looks like porcelain shoes. Oh, here's her little outfit. You know what? I'll bet these are for a Snoopy doll. My kids had one. My oldest son had one when he was a baby, not a Belle, a Snoopy. And they had clothes you could buy. That's what this is. Now I need a Snoopy. Oh, I love this little sheriff outfit. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what this is. Oh, thank you. Oh, how cute. It's got a little Hawaiian outfit.
Cowabunga. No, that's not him.
No, that's the turtles. Let's see if look at here. The other shoes also here. Oh yeah, this is for Belle the Snoopy girlfriend. How cute. Referee. And here it could be the referee or the baseball player. Oh, this is really fun. But they could also share this with my chubbies or 14-inch dolls. This is cute. And looky here. Oh, little candy striper. Bet some of you don't even know what a candy striper is. Look at this. A Snoopy. Oh, this is fun.
Some really adorable
This
stuff.
is really, really fun. Oh, and this goes here. How cute, how cute, how cute. And the little holder to boot. You know what? I'm just going to set everything. Where's that shoe? I'm going to put it down. Those two shoes. I want those in the bottom.
Before they get lost.
Well, I don't want to take any chances. You know, sometimes I get in a hurry putting stuff away. Oh, thank you. This is really fun. It's funny because somewhere be Christmas shopping, I had seen a Snoopy and I had my hands on it and I walked away. And now, wish I would have got it. Thank you so much. That's really fun. And there's more. There is more. Oh, I can't tell you how happy I am. I have seen, Ayla is such a generous person. She sent happy mails to other people, and I watched them open, and I was a little envious, especially of this fabric. And this, you know, I love the 70s and my Blythe. How cute would that be? Oh, I love these. I can't tell you. I was a little thinking, oh, I really like that Christmas print. It's such a good size. Sorry, I'm losing my voice here. Let's open this up and see what else we did get. I was hoping. I watched others open and I thought, Ayla makes soaps. If you have soap allergies or requests, she makes, and she used to sell, I'm assuming she still does. She makes these from the bottom up because she has some allergies. So she makes soaps. That is fantastic. Can't thank you enough for that. And oh, it smells delicious. Yeah, Ayla is quite talented. I did not know until recently how art talented Ayla is. She sent me you don't know. This is for a collab next year. Already set up. How cute is that for Smart Doll or 18-inch or Chubby Blythe or whatever? This already has a purpose, Ayla. I started to say about the soaps. Ayla is so talented. She sews. She makes soaps from scratch. And this year on Postcard Day, of which I didn't know they were, she sent me the loveliest postcard that she had done the art on. And her art is really, it's beautiful. I had no idea how talented she is. I am so excited. You know, I love a good Christmas print.
You do.
And they're getting harder and harder. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. You want to say goodbye?
Okay. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And Happy New Year.